Hello guys, my name is Merlin and today I'm gonna show you how you can fix the problem when videos coded with AV1 codec are not shown. So basically the problem is when we open the video, which is coded with AV1 codec, then you can only hear the audio playing and no video is presented here. To fix that, we will have to install the extension from Microsoft Store. So first you press start on your keyboard or just here, and then we write store and we open up the Microsoft Store, and then from the top search bar menu we write AV1. We press it and then you can see the extension with the puzzle and a play or a triangle. We click on that and then you can see it's free, and we can click on the download and then the extension will be installed. And it's installed. We can open this up and now we can normally close the store. And now when we open the video with AV1 codec, you can see it now displays the whole video, also with the audio playing. So that's a quick fix. I think if you find that video useful, please press a like and subscribe to my channel. I'm Merlin, thank you.